What's up, guys? Michael James with Beyond the Forbidden. Go to patreon.com/Beyond the Forbidden and become a member of Beyond the Forbidden for just $5 a month. The interview you're listening to right now is a throwback interview from 2010 with Michael Tellinger. Once you become a member on patreon.com/Beyond the Forbidden, just go to the Throwback Interviews tab and look for Michael Tellinger, Slave Species of God, and Hidden History. And also, check the description for the links.
It's definitely a shift to a higher level of consciousness. There's no question about that. As I said, we can see it in the development of our DNA, and how that DNA then stimulates our pineal gland. Remember, your pineal gland in the middle of your brain is like your third eye. Well, it is your third eye. It performs exactly the same functions as our normal eyes, except it doesn't have a lens. And ancient civilizations, and especially the Eastern cultures, used to call it the third eye, and they were very familiar with its ability that it can pick up all the frequencies because it doesn't have a lens, but it has receptors just like your eye has. Those receptors are finely tuned to pick up all the other frequencies and energies throughout the universe that your eyes cannot pick up. So that is your third eye, and can pick all the extrasensory perceptions, and that is really the organ with which we communicate psychically. What's interesting is when our pineal gland seems to have been the primary target of our creators, of our slave drivers, and we see that in the symbolisms of major religions, especially Catholicism, and that is inherited from some of the drawings and inscriptions from Sumerians. If you go and look at some of the carved images of the winged gods in the Sumerian and Babylonian clay tablets, you'll see these winged gods that are standing around what they call the tree of life, which clearly shows that it's just a slightly different view of the DNA. And they're watering the DNA, and they're manipulating the DNA, and in their right hand they hold this pine cone. Mm-hmm. And that is very important, an important message. And holding up the pine cone, saying we have taken control of the pineal gland, which looks like a pine cone. That's why it's called a pineal gland.
Yes.
We have taken control of the pineal gland of the species, which means they cannot see beyond the visible light. They cannot communicate with ESP. They cannot tell truth from lies, and therefore we have taken control of the species. Now, when you look at what's happening in the Catholic Church, the Pope on his staff has a beautiful pine cone right at the top of his staff. If you go into the courtyard at the Vatican, there's a giant pine cone guarded by two lions, or sphinx-like lion statues, which tell us that this pine cone image has played a very crucial role in the manipulation and control of human beings for thousands of years, and it's been passed down into modern religions, especially Catholicism, the Catholic Church, and popular Christianity. I must state this very carefully, because there's a big difference between the Christ-conscious message and popular Christianity, the way it's been hijacked.
I totally agree.
And you realize that there's just been this absolutely beautifully orchestrated manipulation of the truth. And you see, they skate so close to the truth that you can. It's very difficult to tell the truth from the lie, and that's how you tell the best truths.